Join me as I dive into the world of Levites Foods and challenge myself to eat only these for a week to see if they really can transform my health. Levites Foods have been gaining attention in health discussions today, and it's fascinating to explore how they can impact our well-being. Many people struggle with common health issues such as digestive problems, low energy levels, and weakened immune systems. Traditional diets often focus on quick fixes or trendy solutions, but they may not address the underlying causes of these problems. Our modern diets are filled with processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats that can exacerbate these issues. The lack of essential nutrients in our diets can lead to a range of health problems, from mild discomfort to chronic diseases. It's clear that a new approach is needed, one that prioritizes whole, nutrient-dense foods. Many of us are aware of the importance of healthy eating, but it can be difficult to make lasting changes. We may feel overwhelmed by the amount of information available or struggle to stick to a new diet. Despite the challenges, it's worth exploring alternative approaches to health and nutrition, such as Levites Foods, which offer a unique perspective on whole, nutrient-dense eating. Levites' foods are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They include a variety of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, as well as lean proteins and healthy fats. These foods have been shown to support better health outcomes, from reducing inflammation to improving digestion. By incorporating Levites Foods into our diets, we can take a proactive approach to our health. The nutritional benefits of Levites Foods are impressive, with high levels of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They can help to boost our energy levels, support healthy weight management, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating Levites Foods into our diets can be simple, with many delicious and easy-to-prepare options available. From hearty soups to fresh salads, there are countless ways to enjoy these nutritious foods. One compelling testimonial that stands out is from a woman who struggled with chronic fatigue and digestive problems. After incorporating Levites Foods into her diet, she reported a significant improvement in her energy levels and overall health. Scientific research also supports the benefits of Levites Foods, with studies showing a reduced risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. The evidence is clear. Levites Foods can have a transformative impact on our health. The key to success lies in making lasting changes to our diets rather than seeking quick fixes or fad solutions. By committing to a whole, nutrient-dense approach, we can experience the full benefits of Levites Foods. Incorporating Levites Foods into our diets can be a game-changer for our health, and it's an approach that's worth exploring. The potential health benefits of adopting Levites Foods into our daily meals are significant, from reducing the risk of chronic diseases to improving our overall well-being. By prioritizing whole, nutrient-dense foods, we can take a proactive approach to our health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about healthy eating and nutrition, be sure to check out my other videos.